Hey, how's it going everyone? It is Prob here, and the B-roll segment that you just saw is for Peter Mckinnon's B-roll challenge that he uploaded today. So some of the conditions for that challenge were to use a single camera with only one lens to film a 30-second B-roll segment. I will definitely link that video in the description down below so you can check that out. So the camera that I ended up using was the Lumix G7 along the 14-42 kit lens, and some of the accessories that I used with it were the Rode Video Micro and a Joby Gorilla Pod. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think about that segment. Was it good? Was it bad? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And make sure to hit the like button if you really ended up liking it. Also, if you want to know more about how I film and edit my videos, definitely consider subscribing. So thank you everyone for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.